Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites and taking the first actions. Turn Bluetooth off and on and make the device discoverable. This resets states that often cause failures. Once done, restart both gadgets to clear transient issues and remove stale pairings so new connections aren't blocked. Also check battery, proximity, and airplane mode. Low power or distance can masquerade as pairing problems. Doing these quick steps sets a clean baseline and prevents wasting time later. Next, focus on deeper configuration. Update Bluetooth drivers or firmware because outdated stacks cause connectivity regressions. On a computer, reinstall the driver if updates fail. On a phone, run system updates. Then confirm both devices support the required profiles, like audio A2DP or hands-free HFP, because mismatched profiles prevent usable links. If performance is poor, reduce radio interference. Temporarily disable Wi-Fi 2, 4 GHz, or move to a different channel, since overlap. Finally, perform definitive recovery steps. Reset the Bluetooth adapter or network settings to factory defaults when simple fixes fail, because corrupted configurations can persist otherwise. After the reset, repair devices from scratch, delete old entries, initiate pairing, accept prompts, and test the connection with a known file or audio track. If you still see errors, try a wired connection to confirm device function, and record any error codes or symptoms to provide to support. That one tip speeds troubleshooting significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.